Welcome to Quick Tips here at ChiefTutor.com. Today we're going to be talking about smoothing arches or smoothing any shape in Chief Architect. Now here I have a beam that I've created over my porch. I used a polyline solid, just as simple as going to an elevation tool, cross section elevation. I just drag it to the direction I want. I go to my polyline solid tool and I just draw a beam. Like here's a beam being drawn. I'm just going to take it right off. I don't actually need it. But there's the beam. The one thing I wanted to notice about the beam is when I created the arch wasn't very smooth. You see how it did in like sectionals? And that's how Cheap kind of does it if you cut it like in a certain way. So I took a polyline solid and I cut it there and I cut it there and I arched it. So by arching a section is where you take a section that you want and you hit that arch tool and it'll arch the actual piece between. So once I did that, I arched it up to where I thought I wanted. But when I look at it, I see it's kind of clunky. See those little clunky edges? So it's a simple fix. We just select the edge we want to manipulate. And we come down here. I'm going to try to select that arch. There it is. I come down here to this tool called Convert Curve to Polyline. And I push it in here and I'm just going to jump the polyline numbers from 6, as you can see the different cut marks that are along here, to maybe 60. And now I have a nice smooth arch going on there. Let's follow around and just do the rest of them. Click here, and let's type in 60. And you can type in any number, 4,000 if you wanted to, but then it would have to make 4,000 cuts on the side. Here's a little one I did on this side. If I'm not quite getting the arch, I'm just going to select it a second time till I get it. This one, why don't we say 40, doesn't need to be cut as many times. But now you see I have a nice, clean, smooth arches going up and over into my porch right to the front door. And that's been messing with arches here at ChiefTutor.com's Quick Tip of the Week.